The Honda Pilot key fobs from 2016-220 use a CR2032 battery. First, locate the small notch or release button on the back of the key fob. Use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Applying gentle heat from a hairdryer can help if it's stubborn. Once open, locate the battery holder, typically a metal clip. Remove the old CR22 battery and replace it with a new one, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up. Then, snap the two halves of the key fob back together, making sure the rubber gasket is properly sealed to maintain water resistance. This whole process should only take about 5 to 10 minutes. After replacing the battery, the key fob might need to be resynced with your Honda Pilot. Insert the key into the ignition and cycle it to the on position twice within 10 seconds. Then press the lock button on the fob. If this doesn't work, a dealership reset may be required. If your remote still isn't working, double-check that the battery is correctly installed and that you're using a fresh CR2032 battery. Consider using a third-party OBD2 diagnostic app like Torque to check the key fob signal. If the fob case cracked during opening, gentle warming with a heat gun might prevent damage in the future. Remember, improper disassembly can void warranties, so proceed carefully.